Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel Incredible Maths. In this video, we solve a problem asked in CSIR NET December 2023 in part B under linear algebra. The question ID 704027. So given four statements, so we have to check which of these statement is correct or true. So let us check the statements one by one. So this type of problems can be solved by taking A and B to be some matrix satisfying the given condition. So let us check the options one by one. So A is a real 3 by 2 matrix. So therefore we can take A as 1 0 0 1 0 0 and B to be a 2 by 3 matrix, 2 rows and 3 columns, 1 0 0 0 1 0. So we will check BA. So BA is 1 0 0 0 1 0, A matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. So when we multiply these two, so we will get 1 0 0 1. So this is equal to I2. So the given condition is satisfied. So now we will find whether AB is I3. So AB equal to 1 0 0 1 0 0. B is 1 0 0 0 1 0. So when we multiply these two, so we will get 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0. So this is not equal to I3. So therefore option 1 is wrong. So implies option 1 is wrong. So now we will check the correctness of option 2. So option 2, matrix A is 3 1. A is equal to 3 3 1 2. A equal to 3 3 1 2. So here we need to find a matrix B such that AB equal to I2, where B is a matrix with integer entries. So find matrix B with integer entries such that AB equal to I2. So therefore here we need to find A inverse. So B is nothing but A inverse. So A inverse equal to 1 by 6 minus 3 2 3 minus 3 minus 1. So A inverse formula is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So this equal to, so this is not a matrix with integer entries. So therefore option 2 is wrong. So now we will go for the option 3, A equal to matrix 3 1 1 2. So let us take A equal to 3 1 1 2. So here also find a matrix B such that AB equal to I2, where entries of A and B are in Z by 6Z. So Z by 6Z is nothing but Z6. So here also we need to find A inverse. So A inverse equal to 1 by 6 minus 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 1. So this is equal to 1 by 5 2 minus 1 minus 1 3. So this is equal to, so now we will find equivalent of 5 in Z6. So 5 in Z6. So the value of 5 is equal to minus 1 in Z6. Since 5 plus 1 equal to 6. 6 is equal to 0 in Z6. So this implies 5 is equal to minus 1. Therefore we can replace 5 by minus 1. So 1 by minus 1 into, so 2 are negative entries, so minus 1, 3. So this can be written as minus 2, 1, 1, minus 3. So now we need to find the value of minus 3 in Z6 and minus 3 in Z6. So similarly, 4 plus 2 equal to 6. So 6 is equal to 0 in Z6. Therefore, 4 plus 2 equal to 0. So therefore, 4 equal to minus 2. This implies minus 2 equal to 4. And similarly, 3 plus 3 equal to 6. 6 is equal to 0 in Z6. Therefore, 3 is equal to minus 3. So this equal to, so minus 2 is replaced by 4, 1, 1, minus 3 is 3. So this belongs to this implies entries of A inverse is in Z by 6Z. So this implies option 3 is correct. So the option 3 is correct. So this one is correct. So now we will see check option 4. So A is a real non-zero 3 by 3 diagonal matrix. Then there is a real matrix B such that AB is equal to I3. So let us take a real matrix non-zero, real non-zero 3 by 3 diagonal matrix. So this one 1 0 0. So take a simple matrix 0 1 0 0 0 0. So this is a non-zero real diagonal matrix. So for this, for A equal to this one, so there does not exist B such that AB equal to I3, because A is a singular matrix. So this is a singular matrix. So therefore there doesn't exist A inverse. That means there exists no B such that AB equal to I3. So therefore option 4 is wrong. So option 4 is wrong. So the only correct option is option 3. If you like the content of this video, kindly like, share our channel. Thank you.